Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Truecaller. Here we go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, you will search about Truecaller and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Truecaller as you see here, and then you will